odd graph, but you don't care about that. You like my ugly graph anyways. No, it's just not mainstream, it's a hipster graph. B3. Yep. Solve this equation. So I shall multiply everything by -1. I shall change this into cos squared x minus sine squared x. I shall change cos squared into 1 minus sine squared. And this will be 2 sine squared x minus 5 sine x. 1 minus 3 is -2, but I'm flipping the signs to make it easier, so I get this. 2 sine x, 2 and a 1, and a minus and a minus. So you have two answers here. Sine x equals a half, or sine x equals 2. This is impossible, of course. Sine inverse a half is pi over 6. And now right, to get the second answer is pi minus the first answer, so 5 over 6 pi. And that takes care of part 1. Part 2. Integrate from pi over 4, pi over 3, 2 sine x minus 1 cos x over 3 minus 5 sine x minus cos 2x dx. Actually show it equals that. Any ideas on what I should do here to simplify this integration? It's impossible to integrate this. Any ideas on what to do? Does the denominator look familiar? Have a look at the denominator. Does it look familiar? The denominator is the original from part 1. I can use my factors down below here. 2 sine x minus 1, and then sine x minus 2. 2 sine x minus 1 cos x. Am I allowed to cancel this with this? The top at the bottom. Only if sine x is not a half. Which means only if x is not these two numbers, which they're not, because I go from minus pi over 4 to pi over 3. That does not include pi over 6 or 5 pi over 6. So it's fine to cancel these. Unlikely, because they've never given a question like this before. It's my introduction. So here we get now pi over 3, pi over 4, cos x over sine x minus 2 dx. What can I do to simplify this? Nope. Let u equal sine x minus 2. That means du dx equals cos x, or if you want du equals cos x dx. Substituting these results in, I will get integrate from pi over 4 to pi over 3 du over u, which is integrate pi over 4, pi over 3 log u, 1 over u du. What did I do that for? Which is log u, pi over 4, pi over 3, which is log sine x minus 2, pi over 4, pi over 3. Log sine pi over 3 minus 2 minus log sine pi over 4 minus 2. When you subtract logs, you divide. Log divide sine pi over 3 minus 2 over sine pi over 4 minus 2, which equals log. Sine pi over 3 is root 3 over 2. Root 3 over 2 minus 2 over, and then root 2 over 2 minus 2. Multiply the top and bottom by 2, and we get log root 3 minus 4 over root 2 minus 4, which is what they asked me to show. They say show that the answer is log, oh not quite, I also multiply the top and bottom by minus 1. Log 4 minus root 3 over 4 minus root 2. Show that the answer is log 4 minus root 3 over over 4 minus root 2. So I know that one's fully right because I got the answer they asked me to get. Too far? Better put this in so I don't lose all of the answers. Right. Next now. Next. The line L is made by drawing a line from the origin to the point h over r. Find the equation of this line. So you know what the equation of a line is, y equals mx plus c. And we can get the slope here. It's y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So the slope is r over h. So we get y equals r over hx plus c. To find the c, we substitute in a point. When I sub in 0, 0, I discover that c is 0. So I get the answer y equals r over hx. We don't know the r and the h, but that's okay. They're just constants. And I say they're positive constants. So you know they're both positive. Part 2. This shape is rotated. If I rotate it, what shape will I make? A cone. Find the volume of this cone. So volume equals pi integrate. Oh, by the way, what are my limits here? It's from 0 to, what's this one here? H. So it's from 0 to h, r over hx squared dx. So that is pi 0 to h, r squared, h squared, x squared dx. Since they are constants, I can take them out. Okay. Let's integrate the x now, the x squared. So that would be x cubed over 3. And now I put in the 0 and the h. Yep. If I put in the h, I get h cubed over 3, and if I put in the 0, I get 0. So the answer would be pi r squared h cubed over h squared times 3 minus 0, which would be 1/3 pi r squared h, because that will cancel with that, and yeah, that's it. Yeah. They're constants. Constants can be taken out to the front. What is the formula for the volume of a cone with radius r and height h? That answer I just got there. Question? No? No? Okay.